Hey y'all, let me get this top together real quick. Hey y'all, we're jumping right in by using the new Goof Proof Brow Powder by Benefit, as well as the Gimme Brow, and also my Precisely My Brow pencil. So I'm using the regular makeup wipe that I got from Big Lots. It's really inexpensive. They come like 30 in a pack and it's like $2. I'm going in now with the Benefits Smooth Sip Moisturizer. And then after that, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Before I go into my base of my makeup, I'm going to let that set and I'm going to go back to my brows and I'm going to start using the Precisely My Brow pencil. If y'all know me, y'all know that this is my holy grail pencil. It's been a part of my brow routine for a really long time and I just love it. This is the new Goof Proof Brow Powder. I use a angled brush and the spoolie to help apply this to my brows. It gives off a very good pigment, so the payoff for it, shading in your brows is very good. And then after that, I go in with the Gimme Brow to kind of set it, and it's shaded in the color 5 or 4.5, or no, 4.5. I'm sorry, y'all. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. And y'all, this is way after June the 1st, but this palette came out on the Crayon Case website, the Nudes of the World, on June 1st. I wanted to show you this color story and why I think everybody needs this palette. Just look at it, no question. So I'm using the eye glue stick, which is a eyeshadow primer, and it makes your eyeshadow bolder and it makes the color stand out more. That's what I'm utilizing. I'm just patting it down to make sure that the base is smooth so that when I lay these colors, they're popping. I'll get into these brushes. This brush pack also came out on the same date, which was June the 1st, as the palette came out, and it's a perfect pair when you utilize these brushes with this palette. So I'm going into the like brownish color. It's a dark color. They don't have names on the palette, so it's like the second darkest brown color. And I'm just going in and I'm going to attempt, y'all, a halo a halo eye. I don't normally do that, but I just kind of felt froggy today. I'm gonna do something different. I felt like I wanted to do something different and show y'all what your girl can do. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going in and I'm just making the sides for the halo. I'm just using that dark brown color and shading in on the sides to leave like an open space for me to put a pop of color. So I'm going in next with this, it's like a very, it's not a Barbie pink. It might be like a bubblegum pink. I'm putting that in the middle and that's going to be my base pink. I want this color to be really vibrant. I want it to stand out and I want you to be able to see the halo. You feel me? So you kind of see what my vision is. If you're following me, you see what my vision is by how it looks on my eye. Okay? So I'm just making the color a little bit more prominent, making it a little bit more bolder with the help of the glue stick that actually makes the color stand out. And then I'm going back in to kind of marry the colors or blend the brown shade into the pink so they marry together. I went in next with a light tan color and a light brown color to use as my transition shade, I'll say, and I just put that over the top so that it'll help smooth out any harsh lines that I have above. So now I'm going in with this pink shimmer, y'all. I put that on the top of the bubblegum pink color to kind of give it like a iridescent look, if you kind of follow me, follow what I'm saying. And I love it. Do y'all see how it's coming together? Next, I'm going in with my Sharpie pen. I'm not doing a wing. I'm just going to draw a line. I love this pen. The point on it is so precise. It helps, if you don't have a steady hand, it just glides on for you. And I love it. So y'all definitely need to pick up this from the Crayon Case, as well as the brushes and the palette. This skin tint, y'all, is like the bomb. It's the NYX Blur Skin Tint. If you have not checked out my review on this skin tint, do so, I'm going to put an index card at the top. So make sure you go look at that and tell me what you think. I love how it blends out. It's summertime and it's just like the perfect shade for me. If y'all have tried this, let me know how y'all like it. If you like it, if you don't like it, just let me know. Talk to me in the comments, y'all. So now I'm going in with the NYX Bear With Me concealer. It's in the color Sand. I think it's a light tan because I wanted today to give y'all a little bit of an under eye highlight. I normally don't do that, but I want to start trying to play around with that. So what I'm doing now is going through and using this concealer in the places that I want highlight to show, right? This is my Fenty Matchstick in Espresso, and that she's just that girl. I use her all the time for my cream contours. I love it. It's the perfect shade, and yeah, go get it. Y'all, I am having a time with this top. And let's talk about an amazing product at an affordable price. This NYX mattifying powder, I love it. When I say it does what it's supposed to do, it gives what it's supposed to give. Do y'all see how matte I am under my eye? I know y'all see it. I don't even have to point it out. I love it. And you stay matte for the majority of the day. I know that I have worn this for like 6 or 7 hours and I've had no complaints with it. I'm going in next with the Fenty Sunstalker palette. I'm using Thick Mint, and I'm just going over the cream bronzer that I put on, or contour that I put on. If it's wet, you gotta set it. Next, this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm not too keen on mascaras. I just use whichever one reaches my hand when I go into the drawer. This Juvia's Place blush. Y'all, I can't talk, but this Juvia's Place Duo Blush. Sheesh. It's in volume 5. I love both colors. So I use both of those colors to get this blush combination on my face. This Milk Makeup, it's running a really tight race with my Urban Decay 24-hour glide on liner. It's so smooth and it glides on just like perfect. So now I'm going under my eye with a pinkish color, that same pinkish color, and I'm just giving a little pop of color under my eye. I know y'all can see it. I'm setting everything so it won't be cakey with this MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And yeah, this is the Crayon Case colored pencil color in the shade Browser. I really like this liner. This soft matte lip color is from NYX, and it is the Soft Whip lip color, and it's in the shade Teddy Fluff. I love this formula by NYX. Actually, I love all of NYX's formulas, pretty much. So this is the final look, y'all. Get into it. Do you like it? Can you see the halo? Can you see my vision? Tell me what you think. I really hope that you've liked, commented, and subscribed. Hit that bell to be notified, y'all. If you have some content suggestions, definitely put them down in the comment box for your girl. I'll be more than happy to look over them and see what I can do. Thank you so much for your support. We are over 2,000 subscribers, period. If you're loving all the content that I am giving you over here, definitely hit that share button so we can reach our watch goal. And as always, see you later.